There we go. What is up, party people? Forgot to turn my mic on. It's on now. Hey, thanks for being here. This is going to be an AutoCAD home design speedrun. Am I appropriating gamer culture by calling this a speedrun? You betcha. Not a gamer, but, well, I play board games on Steam, so does that count as a gamer? I don't know. But I'm going to be doing a speed run of a floor plan. So I'm going to give myself 60 minutes to design a complete floor plan from scratch, A to Z. Well, not really A to Z. We're not going to get into construction documents today, but we will have a complete schematic done in an hour, hopefully. Can I do it? Stick along. Stick along? Stick around? Stick along is not a phrase. All right, so what am I going to be drawing? That's a great question, you ask. All right, so I am going to try and do a two-story floor plan here with a two-car garage, plenty of extra storage space, though, for bikes and kids' crap and all that fun stuff. And then I really want to do a nice open floor, main concept in this space. 3 bedrooms upstairs, an office on the main, modern styling, but this is going to be kind of a modest 2-story. I'm not thinking of super big here. Shooting between 2,600 square feet. I'm not going to be super rigid with it, but trying to get in that parameter just to have this be a little bit more universal floor plan that a lot of people can use. So that's where we're at. That's what I'm going to try and do for you today. So thanks for being around. Let's get in to the AutoCAD. Oh, that's my name. I want to switch this over to just some notes and stuff. Picture in picture back on, and we're rocking and rolling. All right, floor plan village. We're not going to start with that. We're going to start with our new floor plan. Right. Okay, so nice open floor plan, 2-story. I'm going to start with a kitchen, nook, great room area. Let's draw a space at 17 feet wide by, how big do we want to go? 28 feet? Let's try that. Okay, and then I'm going to bump all these walls out 6 inches because they'll be exterior walls. Okay, And we're going to have this block will be our dining and great room. I'm going to grab some furniture so we can help visualize that. Great room, dining. Why 17 feet, you ask? If I stick at 17, it's easier to do for bearing. To do 2x12 joists. I might play with that though if the joists are going front to back in this, which it looks like they might, so I could maybe sneak this a couple feet wider. Actually, yeah, let's do that straight away. 'Cause 17 inside to inside. I mean, it'll feel a lot better at 19. Why did I go only 4 inches with it? I wanted 24, not 4. There we go. Okay. Then I'm thinking let's do another 13 feet over for the kitchen. I was actually playing with Midjourney this morning for an Instagram post, and it had a pretty cool kitchen that I wanted to copy, which I'm going to try and replicate here. Nice big island. And then we're going to have maybe some covered space off the back here. Let's see here. Okay, so kitchen there with a nice big door coming off the back. You could do like a triple slider there. That'd be cool. So a triple slider I'm going to show at 9. This needs to be reset. My numpad needs to be reset. Okay, I'm going to show that as a 9-foot door, which is 3 3-foot panels. It's a good door for a ton of natural light and walkway, and it's also not crazy when we're talking cost. It's more expensive than your standard door, obviously, but it's a lot less than the big accordion doors and things like that. So, 3-panel door. I'm going to grab a door layer. I should mention, so this is my standard process. I mean, if I were designing any custom home, it would all start like this. And go from here. Obviously, my custom process is a bit more involved. I work on custom clients' homes for more than an hour. I don't know if that shocks some of you, but it's true. Wonder if we can do garage. Just sitting right here, chilling right there. Then entry and stairs here. Still need room for an office. Maybe office is here. Or office like hangs off the side. There at a different ceiling height. Could be kind of cool. Let's see what works. Jumping back to the chat. Just make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay. I like bringing this out another 2 feet. Let's see here, 24 feet. Let's take this wall out. 24 feet for our garage. And we'll go like 28 feet deep with it. Oh, this could lend itself to some cool arrangements with like the Midwest garage party, as I like to call it. This is a thing we do in the Midwest where the garage is just like a bigger part of your living area. So you put a big garage door here, and then when you're having an open house or a cookout, every family's over for 4th of July, anything like that. Yeah, this big garage door you can open up off the back here. This could be kind of cool. Sweet. So we got garage door. Got garage door at the front. There we go. Goodness, it took me entirely too long. Okay, already I can see some problems. So this isn't going to be enough for mudroom pantry, at least like a really nice feeling one, what I was thinking. And then I could do a switchback stair here, which I think could get kind of cool. And then an office here. Maybe even a room above that office. Let's try it. Let's try it. Well, like I wanted to be able to do cabinetry there too. I think that'd really help the kitchen. This kitchen we'll have the sink in the island. Okay. And this wall coming over 3.5 inches. Oofta. That's got to go the other way. There we go. That one doesn't exist. Yeah, so I'm gonna need... I'm okay with this being the foyer and this being a switchback stairs. Let's grab a staircase from my handy dandy room layout guide. I lost my floor plan already. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, I talk about this a lot on streams, but I like to keep even foot increments for all the bump outs. I think it's just easier construction-wise. You'll have less waste in your house. Let's go 10 feet wide for those stairs. Ooh, that'd be really cool. Okay, so then all that can be like a loft area. Entryway could be here. That could even be like a little office. And we could do 2 bedrooms here. Might even need to build over the garage in this one now that I'm looking at it. Because we could do one over the office here as well. There we go. Let's connect some of these walls. Just working on exterior walls, exterior footprint. I'm thinking through, what do I need for all this stuff? Oh, let's get the timer up. Let's see here. We'll say 10 minutes in, so I'll go down to 50. And start that. All right. It's not a design. It's not a speed run unless there's a clock on the screen, right? Although that clock is right under my face. Where could clock go? Right here? Yes. That is correct. Most correct placement for the clock. Ooh, I'm about to sneeze. Nope. Got it. Saved it. I hate double lines on here. All right. So we got a cool switchback staircase. in the front. This reminds me of my stint designing for builders in Minnesota. There are just a lot of staircases to the front in that market. More than I was used to. But we did some cool things with it. Learned some cool things along the way up there. Alright, stairs. Front porch could go here. This doesn't need to be that big. Okay. So what if this is all two-story? Could be super cool. What if this office is big too? I like the idea of a big office on this plan because we don't have as much room for bedrooms upstairs. So this is 3 bedrooms upstairs. It'd be nice to be able to show this as potentially a 4th. While you're jamming into some tunes. Okay, so if we're going slab on grade, I am going to need some room for mechanicals and a powder. Also, I want to check square footage just to make sure I'm not running away with this thing. Let's see here, that's where ceiling height transition would change. Let's grab a layer and a layer and a layer. Sweet. Okay. Got a cool kitchen. We got some fun stuff going. Okay. Powder room, pantry, mechanicals. I can do laundry upstairs. All right. I like this spot for mechanicals. Then that ruins our pantry space though, doesn't it? Let's see how big we are. Drawing a super sloppy outline of the floor plan here. It's okay. It's just a guesstimate. 1429. So 1,000 square feet and 3 bedrooms. That's doable. Upstairs. Where do they go though? Do they all go there? Does one go over that back patio? We could build over half of this great room and just like do a little sneaky area of volume. Or vault that back half. Like start the vault here. That could be kind of cool actually. Something a little different and unique for that space. Let's see here. Okay, I can play with that. I still do want a little more area though. In there. What does this look like if this is brought back 4 feet? That's brought back 4 feet. Let's just see. As always, my process, test stuff. Just draw it and look at it. Super fast to draw it anyway. Might as well know. That's what it looks like. Okay, so that could be pantry. Good size pantry. 6 feet, yeah. Still need a powder, still need mechanicals. That could be mechanicals. Let's just come back another foot. Because if that does, we can bring that back. Now we at least got room for a powder there. Still need room for a furnace. We could just make this mechanical room here. I don't like that though, so we will need windows on this front side for the aesthetics of it. It's gonna look bad if we don't have windows there. That could be kind of cool. This foyer space is kind of huge though for this size home as well. Alright, I'm going to copy this and then go back a bunch of steps. Go back to this idea. I'm going to fix this because I liked this is a little cleaner in the floor plan because you could do a room or something above here and still make it work. And then do your like your core roof here. Doesn't leave you a lot of space for bedrooms though. So how wide is this area? This is 13, right? Yeah, 13.2. So to get your third bedroom upstairs would be a little tight. So if this is the upstairs, oofta, what do we got? Yeah, I don't love that. I feel like this is all open to below. What if this is all second floor? And that break is at the back half of the great room. That doesn't help us a ton, though, because we can't really get windows back there. Oh, I can. I can off this side. Oh, yeah, that helps a lot, actually. Let me drag this out another 4 feet. Well, that dining area is ginormous now. Yeah, we can bring this back 2 feet from what we did earlier. Let's get the big dining table. This is definitely going to fit that in this home. Okay. So then, let me copy all this back over again. Just to make sure the lines are right. Oh wait, I didn't even shrink this yet. Is that right now? Yeah, that's right now. Okay. Okay, and then we'll take one bedroom all the way out to the end here. And then that'll follow this wall. Okay. So, to recap, I have one bedroom there. I don't even know if I need like an open to below loft area for this plan, but if it'd be right there. I was like the primary suite off the back, if at all possible. Let's see how wide that is. 12'6". That's fine for me. I know some people are particular about the size of that primary suite. I don't I find them shrinking in modern plans. So yeah, we could do bath and stuff here. That's getting to be a lot of area upstairs, though. Let's think, gang. Maybe we do need to pivot back to this one. All right. Let's try this track again. Hey, sometimes ideas come out like that, and you have to pivot. But it's okay. $38 left, though. We're getting kind of into crunch time mode here. If I don't get a good idea soon, I might be screwed. Oh, this still has the wider great room, which you can bring that in a foot. Drink break. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated, y'all. Okay. So that's the line of the two-story great room and dining room. Two-story dining room is kind of cool too, not gonna lie. Done that in a couple plans, kind of dig it. All right, let's see if we put bathroom back here. We're still gonna be too tight because this is not enough room for a bedroom. I said bathroom. I meant primary bedroom back here. Sometimes you say things and it's not the right things. There's gotta be a way to do this. There's got to. Jumping back and forth now. Not optimal, but all right, let's just at least measure this square footage, see where we're at. See if I made a train wreck of this live session or not. This speed run. All right. Oh, I shouldn't count those stairs a second time, should I? Because slab on grade. So let's see here. Roughly, we're at 1,200. And the main floor was... Drum roll, please. Sitting on the edge of your seats in suspension. That would actually be kind of hard from a physical perspective to sit in suspension. 1422. Oh, so I am at 2,600. Huh. Maybe I should just pursue this track then. What do you say? All opposed, say nay. Grabbing a drink. All right, rocking and rolling. Oh yeah, okay, let's divvy these spaces up. So I like that the primary is nice and isolated. Isolated. Almost said isolated. On this one. I'd like for the bath to come in right here. Oh, if we could preserve this space for a bonus room up there, that would be pretty cool. Because the slab on grade plan, slab on grades are cool, but you're definitely missing out on like secondary living area that you would get from a basement. Makes basement life so sweet. Basements are awesome. But slab on grade, let me circle back to this. Slab on grade is, I really like it from a construction perspective because basements are not great when it comes to water management. Between water management and like air leakage, insulation, basement is usually your weakest spot, like all the connections between there and the main floor, and obviously it's below grade, so you're inviting water down there at times. Like, it just complicates things to have a basement. So if we can do it without one, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try for that. I think you'll just get a lot more efficient house. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I know what I did. These stairs were just lazily placed. As like the real anchor point. They're just kind of sitting there. All right. So then walkway is 3 feet. Needs to be at least 6 inches bigger. Check the little score bug right below me for those dimensions and things that I'm usually working off of. Okay, so I'm thinking there's some sort of bedroom here, some sort of bedroom here. This is either bathroom or closet. This is either bathroom or closet. And then primary bath in here, because if I go here, I would probably still sneak a window in like above that garage roof line there, depending on how I structure all these. And this doesn't even need to be covered. Maybe the covered portion of the patio is here, and this is just connected to like bring that outdoor living area together. Okay. Got enough room to go back to back on these. Oh, that's tight. How wide is this hallway? 3'8". I don't really want to go smaller than that. Shoot. So this is 42. That is a good size for shower, toilet compartment. A lot of those types of spaces. So I'm debating now. Should that space just be wider to accommodate? Let's see here. If I go another 6 inches in width, because that primary suite was also on the narrow side. It does help a lot. What are we at on the main floor? 1435. Wonder if like powder could sneak somewhere in here. You know what I'm saying? Picking up what I'm putting down. Oh, I do need a couple more treads though. I think I have the room to do this though. Just extend this way. So this is powder. Come on. How far would that need bump out need to go? 1'8". How big is this landing? 4'1.5". 4'4". Okay, yeah. Let's go 20 inches. Bring that back 20 inches. Bring this back 20 inches. I'm just going to copy those stairs up. If I can find my floor plan. Don't lose your floor plan. That's the moral of the story here. porch can be smaller. Okay. Now I can have a nice little coat closet on the end here. And do powder room there. I could do furnace here then. Have a little mechanical closet. It does ruin our pantry though. See, this dining is still massive though. 17 by 16. How big is this island? 8 feet. What if we went 6 inches with this? Where do you put a furnace in this mess? Oh, you know what you do is you hide it in the office here. The office is huge. So I think that can be a mechanical closet, or that even. Yeah, I'll come back to that. And this can stay pantry. And you can have a cool bench seat off the front here. And then you can still do powder here and a little closet for the office there. That office is still really good size. All these rooms are really big. At 911 by 15. Not the world's biggest office, but it's fine too. All right, let's get a little cross section here so I can get my plate heights right. I like to start with the cross section. I'm gonna do 10-foot main floor, 8-foot uppers, 2x12 joists. So I think for bearing walls, could do like this is one. This is one. Run everything front to back through here. This would be roof trusses because there's nothing above it. And then the main roof is sitting like there. That could probably work. Let's see here. Okay, let's take our plate height and do just 12/12s. From there, and then there. That wouldn't necessarily be like that. And our plate height here, our garage. Okay. Just chewing on this, not making any decisions yet. Just hanging out. Looking at some floor plans. Just gonna give this a minute to breathe. Not gonna marinate. Okay, so the main roof section. Would be like there. You'd have a saddle coming in through this roof. Make sure and extend that well past the side of your house so you don't have water issues. So you have a nice kick out on it. Flat roof porch could look cool. could be neat. Neato. Okay. Maybe some section there. Maybe it's just like a... Looks kind of like a shed dormer or something. And then if we're building over this area, maybe this could be a flat roof section too. Am I getting crazy? I'm getting greedy. Kind of like the mix of those. I think it's gonna look a lot better if this is brought down some. You know, like brought down 4 feet. No, more than 4 feet. And then do like a cool window set there. I'm almost feeling like I would like another gable here. Tie those together. I feel like that might look a little cleaner, better. Should the porch come out another couple feet? Let's show that. Just like wrapping the corner, even though that wall, the house is there. Be like perceived differently. And then we could do window here, and then window, and window. Yes, that's right. That's 4 windows. Something like that. This could also be a shed roof. Although I'm getting a lot of comments from people that they don't like those as much. We could also do a flat roof over the garage as well. Flat roofs are expensive, so I'm not like super quick to show them. But I'm having fun. It's Friday. We're hanging out. Friday vibes. Staying hydrated. Oh, that's gonna look better. Ooh, is it gonna look better to do... No, that'd be weird to have these two be the only gables. Yeah. Let's stick with that. Okay, so if we stick with that, we're losing this bedroom upstairs. Can we get by without it? Maybe not. Let's see here. Think. Okay, so what if the main hallway is this? There's just like a little vestibule off of it for that primary suite. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Okay. That wall doesn't need to be there, really. Okay. So we have bedroom, bedroom, and then primary, and then bath. Could do bath here. We need a laundry as well. How big are these rooms? 13.3 by 12.6. That's big. We just took a lot of square footage out of that. One bedroom upstairs though, so it might make sense to bring these down anyway. So let's see here. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. All right, let's label some stuff so we can get a grasp for which rooms are which. Start to get a feel for this plan. So we have primary suite. We got bed 2. We got bed 3. We got bath and walk-in. We'll do primary. Primary bath and walk-in. We got laundry. We got bath 2. So this is 13.3 by 5 feet. I could do a closet here. I could do a linen closet here on the end if I wanted to, or just a bigger bath. Also, this is enough space to do like a cool little desk area or something. Little sitting area at the top of the stairs. Something like that. Right, gang? Let me know what you're thinking. Okay, I think I got enough here where I feel good about jumping over to SketchUp. We're going to try this version. Garage roof. Should that be taller? These all be taller? No. This doesn't need to be taller either. Works if none of them are taller. Maybe a little bit so that we can get mechanicals in above. Well, actually, we can just fur down this area. Just gonna run a trunk here and run something through there. So we might have to drop the ceiling like just here, but it's actually really concise. Like mechanically, if you're slab on grade, you could just drop the ceiling through there, and it looks like intentionally, you know, architecturally designed, and not just like an afterthought. Okay, so let's open our Verbo Prop SketchUp file. So I'm going to take just this footprint as well as the garage footprint. Grab all this, plop it in here, explode that, connect all these lines. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a porch. All right, so what is this thing gonna look like? Let's start a new drawing. Oh, we got 13 minutes to get some sort of rendering. Okay. Okay, AutoCAD. The second floor. Oh, we're doing this one, aren't we? The second floor plate is 20'5" 3/4. 5.75. Oops. Okay. Then our first floor plate is 11'10" 5/8. 11 foot, 10.625. Okay, so let's, oops. Nope, not again. All right, there we go. Okay, so that area is set down there. Copy that up. This song reminds me of a band I used to listen to in high school called Nifty Tom 50. Huge shout out if anyone has ever heard of them. I feel like they'd be impossible to find now. One of those bands just like sunk into oblivion. They were not big, for the record. Okay. So this is going to come up here. We're going to fur that down some, but also push it up. All right, and then we're going to do our main roof. So I'm going to offset 12. Connect this and this. Delete those extra lines. Connect this. So that's going to come up 6 inches. I'm actually going to delete all these. I don't need them. Don't need those at all. I'm going to show simple. You know, I probably should show just 612. 1, it's more affordable, and 2, I think it's going to help it die away from like feeling as pronounced, because it is pretty deep front to back. So with a 612, it's going to, although I might bump that up if these 1212s project up over it. We'll find that out though. So I'm coming down 18 and 18, which gives me a 1212 pitch. Snap to that center line. And 18 and 18 again. And then if I just draw an extra face and then offset that 8 inches, it's actually a lot easier to work with than trying to do all the snaps and stuff later. Then you just come in and delete what you don't need. Boom. And then we'll come up 12. Alrighty. 10 minutes left. Drink break. Okay. Bump this back to the house. Oh, I grabbed the wrong plane. And then, oh no, wait. Oops, got off axis there. I actually don't want to bump that back to the house. I want to bump that back to our other gable. So I'm just going to copy that shoulder point. And then bring this flush with this. And then extend these lines up. Snap to the magenta. So we'll snap together. And we got a peak. Oh. Fun, huh? Software. Magic of software. Magic of software and copyright-free music. And live YouTube. Live YouTube is kind of a cool concept, actually. I didn't know they didn't invent going live. I get that. But it is fun to be able to just like throw on a live screen and share what you're doing with the world. It's kind of intimidating at first, not gonna lie. But you get used to it. After a while, it's just like hanging out with some friends. Okay, let's connect that roof element. All right. We got our little doodads. Let's offset this 12. Bump that up 12. Did those overhang more than 12? Anybody recall? No, they didn't. Cool. Okay. Do the same thing with our garage roof. I'm from by Chicago. So we pronounce garage G-R-TCH. Garage. Starting to look like a house. You know what? Do those need to be gable-ended? I don't really have time to change it. Sorry, gang. We're just gonna get some stuff on this one because we're almost done with our speed run time. That's what I call give the mouse a cookie upgrade. You go with 8-foot ceilings, or sorry, 10-foot main floor ceilings. You're gonna want to do 8-foot doors, just guaranteed. 6'8" looks super weird on a 10-foot ceiling. So just do it. Trust me. Say you saw this guy on YouTube one time and he told me to do it, and you believe him. Tell that to your architect, and they'll be like, "Sweet, that's just what I wanted to hear. Thank you for that tidbit." They'll be super pumped. Really, really super pumped. Okay, we need a garage door too. Sorry, garage. Garage door. I don't need windows on this because I'm just going to do a black garage door. Explode. Delete that one. Move this. Let's make that 8-foot door. Multiply by 1.1428. I've done that enough times where that number just kind of stuck in the brain. And then this window is... This is 2x4, right? So I want to make that 30 by 60. Then we'll put one above that bench seat in the mudroom, if you can recall. The other will be our egress window. It's probably actually even lower. Oops, not moving the right thing. Is this the right dimension? 8 feet, yeah. Those porches seem high. Maybe it is too high. So then copy this up for our egress window for that bedroom upstairs. Copy this over. Actually, we can dump another one of those original windows in because that size was right. Yep, like that. Don't hate it. Okay. make that one a unique window, and then we'll go 18 inches wider with it. Just a big wall of natural light coming in there. Make this one unique. This is going to be our transom window. And we'll also double as an awning window below. I keep putting that in the wrong spot. There we go. Oh, 3 minutes. Sad thing is here, I'm like dang close. Dang close to competing the speed run of my life. This is not actually a speed run of my life. Don't tell that to the YouTube algorithm. I need the retention. Kidding. Do I need to say kidding? I don't know if I've done enough of these for people to stay with my sense of sarcasm, or am I being condescending? Like, do you all get it? I don't know. Let me know. Let's see here. Let's push this back. Let's get some Enscape materials. We got 2 minutes. Asset library. I did not want asset library. Material library. There we go. Been digging this wood siding. Oh wait, before I do that, just color the whole thing in black so I can get all the eaves and everything. And then we'll go into this one. Increase the scale on that just a smidge. And then upload a new material. Do like a black brick. Black front door. Black garage door. Oh, all the flat roof elements being black. Everything else being the wood siding. Could be kind of cool. Seven seconds. Actually, I like keeping that black column. Timer done.